Yeah. From the harbor lights to the endless blue, this is the story of a dream that came true. Out of the marina with the sunrise glow, a sailboat named Wish where the soft winds blow. Captain Fredrik at the wheel, steady hands, calm eyes, chasing freedom where the ocean meets the sky. Maps on the table, hope in his heart. Every mile a story, every wave a new start. From cold northern seas to the tropic heat, life feels richer with every soul we meet.
Morning sun on the waterline, salt in the air, feeling just fine. Old boat, she knows my name. Every mile I sail, I stay the same. No clock, no boss, no concrete ground, just the rhythm of the waves and sound. I left that life back on the shore. Out here I'm rich, don't need no more. Wine say go, tide say.
Paints the sky, I feel the tide. Rhythm in my soul, can't keep it inside. Like the waves I move, never standing still. Reggae in my veins, it's my heart, it's my will. I flow like the waves, I can't stop this ride. Music in my blood keeps my spirit alive. Every note I breathe, every beat I feel gives me hope for tomorrow, makes my dreams real. Makes my dreams real. Wind on my face, I'm dancing with time. Every little melody feels like a sign. Through stormy nights, through the darkest days, the rhythm guides me, shows me brighter ways. I flow like the waves, I can't stop this ride. Music in my blood keeps my spirit alive. Every note I breathe, every beat I feel gives me hope for tomorrow, makes my dreams real. Can't hold me down, I rise with the sea. Regular. Blue waves crying in the morning light, toss the shadows in the ocean side. Turtles choking on a broken dream, coral dying where the waters gleam. The sea was pure, the sea was free. Now it's drowning in our misery. We take and take, we never give. Still the ocean fights to live. From the rivers to the open sea, every drop tells his story. If we poison what we cannot see, we poison our own destiny. Heal the ocean, heal the tide, let the living waters rise. No more poison in the blue, the sea is crying out to you. Heal the ocean, make it strong, let the whales and dolphins sing their song. If the ocean dies today, human life will fade away. Oil on the waves like a burning scar, dead fish floating, drifting far. Big ships are an industry, but every reef and every shore is a story we must tell. The ocean feeds the world each day. We can't just throw it all away. From the smallest random breath to the biggest whaling day, every life is tied as one. Underneath the same bright sun, heal the ocean, heal the tide, let the living waters rise. No more poison in the blue,
Mais.
crying out to you.
¿Qué es?
Heal the ocean, make it strong, let the whales and dolphins sing their song. If the ocean dies today, human life will fade away. No more plastic in the
Looking good.
seas to gray. We can change, it's not too late. Love the water, change our fate. From the shoreline to the reef, we must stand up for belief that the ocean can be free. Frost on the rails, winter holding on. Your face is fading in the morning light. Heart stayed home while I sailed into the night. Snow on the streets where we used to walk. Silent kitchens echoes when we talk. I chase the sun but I feel the weight of every goodbye. I couldn't wait to escape. I tell myself this journey's right, but love don't sleep under southern skies. Warm winds on my skin, yeah, they heal my bones, but my heart still drifts when my family's home. Palm trees sway, blue endless seas, but I miss your laughter in the cold north breeze. I'm finding peace in a warmer place, still carrying love I can't replace. Salt in my hair, rhythm in the hole. Ocean sings low when the night gets full. My body breathes where the sun stays kind, but my thoughts still travel back through time. Fire in the sky when the day goes down. I close my eyes and you're all around. Different stars, same old prayer. That distance won't teach us to disappear. I move with the tide, I follow the call, but family love stands taller than all. Warm winds on my skin, yeah, they heal my bones, but my heart still drifts where my family's home. Palm trees sway, blue endless seas, but I miss your laughter in the cold north breeze. I'm finding peace in a warmer place, still carrying love I can't replace. One day I'll sail back, lines in my face, stories of oceans, time and grace. Until that day I hold you near, in every sunrise, every tear. Warm winds on my skin, calming my soul, but love don't fade when miles oppose. Even far away I'm never alone, 'cause family lives in every tone. So I sail on slow with the sun as guide, cold home behind me, love by my side. The sea keeps moving, hearts stay true every mile I sail. Yeah, slow it down now. One life, one chance. Woke up with the sun on my face today, thinking about the time that just slips away. Every clock keeps ticking, every moment gone. Can't live my life doing what they say is wrong. Been walking past that were not my own, chasing shadows, feeling all alone. But a fire inside keeps calling my name, says if I don't move now, I'll die the same. Mama said, boy, don't wait too long. The heart knows right when the mind feels wrong. If you got a dream, let it guide your way, 'cause tomorrow's never promised. Don't follow your dreams, life's too short to waste. Don't let fear steal the light from your days. Live it free, no chains, no regrets. When the sun goes down, know you gave your best. Follow your dreams, let your spirit fly. No looking back when the years roll by. Live your truth with your heart on your chest. One life to live, live it with no regret. Seen too many souls just fade away, working for a life they never taste. Golden years traded for a cage, counting all the reasons they stayed afraid. I don't want no what if on my tongue when the night comes and the song is done. I wanna feel the road under my feet and hear my heart when it skips that beat. Every scar tells a story true, every fall shows what you can do. If you stumble, rise and try it. tells the story true. Every fall shows what you can do. If you stumble, rise and try again. That's how you win, my friend. Follow your dreams, life's too short to waste. Don't let fear steal the light from your days. Live it free, no change, no regrets. When the sun goes down, know you gave your best. Follow your dreams, let your spirit fly. No looking back when the years roll by. Live your truth with your heart on your chest. One life to live. Live it with no regrets. When the waves get high and the road gets rough, remember why you started, that's enough. No map needed when the soul leads on. Keep moving forward till the fear is gone. Follow your dreams, yeah, hear the call. Stand up tall, even if you fall. Live out loud, no fear, no death. To the past that tries to cause regret. Follow your dreams till the very end. Let love be your guide, let hope be your friend. When the lights go out and you take your rest, you can smile and say, I live with no regret. Yeah. One life, one love, no regrets. Just live. Hey. La, da, da, da. Hey. Woke up with salt on my skin again. Sunrise painting gold on the ocean skin. Compass dancing, wind in my hand. No fixed address, just sea and sand. From Baltic coast to Caribbean nights. Different skies, same guiding lights. Every port got a story to tell. Every wave knows me way too well. I left my worries on the shoreline. Let the tide wash away my past. Out here time moves different. Moments meant to last. I'm in love with the sea, yeah, the endless blue. From continent to continent, chasing something true. Every mile a memory, every star a guide. Life is better drifting with the tide. Oh, I'm in love with the way she's free. The ocean sings a song to me. No matter where the wind may be, I'm home wherever the water meets me, yeah. Island voices, city lights, hidden coves and neon nights. Coffee in a foreign dawn. By evening I'm already gone. Languages change but the smile's the same. Different faces, same human flame. I trade my sleep for sunsets wide and anchor dreams where dolphins ride. Yeah, maps are just suggestions now. I follow moon and swell. The sea don't promise safety, but she knows me well. I'm in love with the sea, yeah, the endless blue. From continent to continent, chasing something true. Every mile a memory, every star a guide. Life is better drifting with the tide. Oh, I'm in love with the way she's free. The ocean sings a song to me. No matter where the wind may be, I'm home wherever the water meets me. Storms may rise and skies turn gray, but every night gives birth to day. I've learned to bend, not break inside. Like a sail on the changing tide. I'm in love. So I'm in love with the sea, my only plan. No borders drawn by human hand. From shore to shore I live and roam. Every horizon feels like home. Yeah, I'm in love. Can't you see this life at sea is part of me? As long as waves keep calling free, I'll sail forever, wild and free. Sail forever, wild and free. Sail forever, wild and free. raise the anchor, let it go. Yeah, the ocean knows the way I know.
Listen to your heart now, follow your dreams. I was standing at the crossroads, dust on my shoes. World kept talking, telling me what not to do. But I felt a fire deep down inside, a little voice saying, boy, take the ride. They said, slow down, play it safe, but dreams don't grow when you're stuck in place. So I closed my